Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 9T, and today I'll show you how you can pair AirPods to the smartphone. So at the first you have to open case of your AirPods. Next you have to rotate them just like that and click and hold this button. When this indicator starts blinking, you can put that case right here, and next simply move to the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone, tap on the switcher and take a look on the available devices, tap on the AirPods, then click pair and click OK another time, and as you can see right now we are connected. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.